marching on from the south to the north, led by Kelly the boy from Killarney. But the ghost of freedom grew dark in that Ross, and is set by the Stays' red waves. And poor Wexford stripped naked hung high on a cross, her heart pierced by traitors and slaves. I tell me, ma, when I go home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. They pull my hair and stole me comb, but that's alright till I go home. She is handsome, she is pretty, she is a belle of Belfast City. She is golden, 1, 2, 3, please won't tell me who is she. And tell me, ma, when I go home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. They pull my hair and stole my comb, but that's alright till I go home. She is handsome, she is pretty, she is a belle of Belfast City. She is a golden, 1, 2, 3, please won't tell me who is she. Hey! Will you go, lassie, you go, and we'll all go together to the white mountain tide, all around the blooming heather. Will you go, lassie, go? We are going away from the holy ground, and the girls we all love too. We will sail the salt seas over, but we'll return for shore to see again the girls we love and the holy ground once more. Fine girl, you are, you're the girl I do adore, and still I live in hopes to see the holy ground once more. Fine girl you are. She wasn't delicate craft, she was rigged for her laugh, and know how the wild winds sing drove her. She had 27 last, she said 37 last, and they called her the Irish Rover.
They had gone from being almost unknown to being a world-famous singing group. They packed Carnegie Hall in New York. They packed the Albert Hall in London. They toured Canada, the United States, New Zealand, Australia, and Great Britain. And then they finally made it to Ireland.
The boys at Liverpool, when we safely landed, called myself a fool. I could no longer stand the plot began to boil. Temper I was losing for all Erin's Isle. They began abusing her army, so said I shall hear the island fly. Call my eyes were nigh, and so I was a hobbling with a loud hooray. Join in the affray, quickly cleared the way for the rocky road to Dublin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hunt the hare and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin. Whack for lally-ra. Hunt the hare and turn her down the rocky road, all the way to Dublin. Whack for lally-ra. Whack for lally-ra. Hey! Fill to me the parting glass, and drink a health whate'er befall. Gently rise and softly call, good night and joy be to you all. Everybody sing it now. Fill to me the parting glass, and drink a health whate'er night, and joy be to